Hey loves, what's up going, what's good, what's popping? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you some Bath and Body Works lotion that I bought, and I'll just be testing them out. These lotions are lotions that I will be trying for the first time, but for all of them except one, I already have the body mist, so I just bought the lotion so that the fragrance of the body mist will be stronger. So I'm going to just test and see if they smell like the body mist and just test the lotion itself. So if that's something that you're interested in, please keep watching. So the first one I'll be trying out is the one with the prettiest labeling, and that is the Almond Blossom, and this is what it looks like. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I just love it. It is so beautiful. I think this is perfect for gifting. I'm just going to set it on my dresser as a decor. I probably won't even use this that much because it just looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love florals. Like, if you can't tell from my background and my little setup here, I just love flowers and floral things. So yeah, I'm gonna set this on my dresser, but let's test out the actual lotion. And this is the consistency. As expected, it is very thick. This is what it's like. It's not watery at all. It's not a watery lotion. It is very creamy, and the texture for all of them will be about the same. So this smells a lot like the body mist. It is sweet and florally, and there is this buttery scent in it as well. I think that's probably because of the shea butter, and apart from the smell, it feels so good on the skin. It is very moisturizing, and all of these lotions are moisturizing because they have shea butter in them, so it's really awesome. It feels so good on the skin. My skin feels soft and smooth and ultra moisturized. So I also love that about these lotions, apart from the fact that they smell really great. So this is perfect for pairing with my Almond Blossom body mist because it smells just like it. So the next one I'll be trying is Hello Beautiful. This is the only one that I don't have the fragrance mist for, and I don't think they actually have a fragrance mist for this scent or in the name Hello Beautiful, but because the packaging is so gorgeous, and as I said before, I love florals. Like, isn't this beautiful? I think this is perfect for gifting, especially if you're a male watching. Like, get your girl this. Just the words, it doesn't even matter how it smells, it's just how beautiful it looks, and the words on it, it is really cute. Like, who wouldn't want this? It is so pretty. I'm wondering how well these two will go together on my dresser. Like, these should be displayed. I love a pretty label. Like, oh cute, oh cute. Okay, let me see what it smells like. Same consistency, no surprise there. All of these lotions are going to be the same consistency. Okay, this has a very light scent, not sweet at all. I'm not getting fruity. I'm just getting a light fragrance, or a light floral, right? Floral. It's not sweet or fruity, but it has a light floral scent. It is very light. It reminds me of the Bath and Body Works Rose Mist. Yeah, it's really light. It smells a lot like that. I think this would pair well with the rose. I'm going to have so much lotion on me, but I love the feel, so I'm going to rub this on my skin as well. So yeah, this is a very light smell. So if you don't like overpowering scents and you just want something that's really subtle, the Hello Beautiful is great, and because it is so subtle, I think it can blend with any fragrance mist or any perfume because you won't have two scents clashing. So the next one I'll be trying is the In the Stars lotion, and I also have the fragrance mist for In the Stars, so I'm going to see if it smells like it. And the consistency, all of them are the same, so I don't even need to speak about the consistency again. So, oh my gosh, it smells just like the body mist. Oh my gosh, how does, well, they use the same fragrance, of course. I was just gonna ask, oh, it smells the same, but really, if you want to basically seal in that in the stars scent, like this lotion smells exactly like it, very sugary. Yeah, I love this. So if there's this body mist that you like and you find that the scent isn't long lasting, I'd recommend that you buy the lotion as well, just to kind of seal the deal. That will make it last longer and the scent will be a bit stronger. So that's definitely something you can try. Every time that I'll be using my In the Stars, I'll definitely pair it with this lotion because it smells just like it, so I'm sure that the fragrance will be stronger and possibly last longer. So the next lotion is the Warm Vanilla Sugar. I also have the fragrance mist in Warm Vanilla Sugar, so I'm going to see what it smells like. Okay, that's weird. I'm getting a coconut scent. I'm not really getting vanilla. I wonder why. You know what? I'm going to wash my hand because I have a bunch of other lotions on my hand, so probably that is why I'm getting a weird scent right now. So I'm going to go wash my hands and come back. So I just washed and dried my hands and I'm going to try this lotion again because it was giving me coconut and that does not make sense. So let's try again. This time I'm not going to rub the lotion all over my hand. I'm going to just put it at a small section. So yeah, it's still giving me a coconut fragrance and I don't know. I'm actually disappointed because I actually thought that it would smell like vanilla. I love the fragrance mist that actually smells like vanilla, but this is more of a sweet coconut scent, like a warm coconut sugar, not vanilla at all. I'm not getting vanilla extract and they said it's made with vanilla extract. I don't know, is there something wrong with my nose? I'm really disappointed. I'm not getting vanilla at all. So let me know if you've tried this lotion. Does it smell like vanilla? Am I the only one? So the last lotion that I'll be trying is 1,000 Wishes, and I absolutely love the fragrance mist for 1,000 Wishes. So I have very high expectations for this lotion. Please, please Jesus, let it smell like the fragrance mist because that would be perfect. So same consistency. And let's see what it smells like. I'm gonna test this one in my middle of my palm. Yes, this is it. It smells a lot like the body mist. This is great. So I can have a longer lasting smell and the body mist smell will be stronger because the lotion is just adding this extra layer and it smells just like the body mist. It is fruity and sweet, so yeah, I'm not disappointed in this. So guys, those are all the lotions that I have to try, and let me know if you've ever tried any of these lotions or if you buy lotions from Bath and Body Works, which is your favorite. I would love to try it out. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you'll know whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.